Hello all. In this video, we will explore the fundamental concepts that drive Pega's power and agility in building business applications. Let's dive in. We will start with first principle: build for change. Pega's first principle is build for change. In a dynamic business world, adaptability is crucial. Pega empowers you to respond swiftly to changing requirements. How? By separating rules from code. With rule-driven architecture, modifying rules means making changes without extensive coding. It's adaptability at its finest. Moving on to next principle, DCO, directly capture objectives. Next up, DCO, or directly capture objectives. Imagine a world where business stakeholders and IT teams collaborate seamlessly. DCO bridges the gap by allowing stakeholders to directly participate in application design. This accelerates development, ensures alignment with business objectives, and minimizes documentation overhead. Moving to third principle, situation layer cake. The situation layer cake is a conceptual framework within Pega that helps model complex real-world scenarios. Most application platforms force you to choose between copying your app multiple times or sacrificing differentiation. But Pega is different. It uses a concept called situational layer cake to organize your app into layers that match each dimension of your business. Now let's move to important concept, which is class structure and inheritance. Pega's class structure and inheritance concept simplifies data management. Classes form a hierarchy, with parent classes sharing attributes and behaviors. Subclasses inherit from parent classes, reducing redundancy. It's like building a family tree for data, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Class types in Pega can be classified into three categories. 1. Work dash. 2. Data dash. 3. Int dash. We'll talk more on this in upcoming sections of the course. Let's talk about our final concept, that is rules in Pega. Lastly, rules in Pega. Rules define how your application behaves. Pega classifies them into various types, each serving a specific purpose. Decision rules drive automated decisions, UI rules shape user interfaces, and integration rules connect to external systems. They empower you to adapt quickly to changing business needs. In conclusion, these principles and concepts form the foundation of Pega's power and flexibility. Whether you're striving to build for change, embracing DCO, understanding the situation layer cake, leveraging class structure and inheritance, or harnessing the rules in Pega, you're well on your way to mastering Pega and achieving agility in application development.